Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free drag and drop app uninstaller for any Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as App Cleaner. And the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you can see various download options. So if you're using the latest Mac OS operating system, then just get the latest version, and if you're using a older Mac OS version, then get the older versions. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on open. Now you can see this kind of user interface. So you need to drop the respective applications which you want to uninstall it. So let me drop one application which I want to uninstall. Just open the apps and just drag the respective application. Now just click on remove. So it will completely remove the application as well as all the data. So similarly you can repeat the same process to uninstall any application using this drag and drop features. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free drag and drop app uninstaller for any Mac computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.